How to fix system sound disabled in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the settings of the device and then tap on the option of sound and vibration after scrolling down. So just tap on sound and vibration. So here you can see the ringtone and the media option is toggled off and it's kept to its minimum. So what we can do and see is we can just go back and then scroll down to the notification center, then swipe to the left. So here you can see the DND option is enabled right now, so just make sure to toggle off this DND option where your call and notifications won't be silenced anymore. So just go to the settings back again and tap on sound and vibration, and then make sure that you toggle on and increase the volume of your ringtone as well as media. And that's how you can fix system sound disabled in Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.